Okay, my darlings, let's finish up these notes on photosynthesis. Okay, so here I have the formula for photosynthesis, and I thought I would go ahead and show you what carbon dioxide and water look like as molecules, as compounds. Okay, so these are the little elements that we talked about yesterday, like hydrogen and oxygen. They bond together. Kind of looks like Mickey Mouse ears, right? Onto the hydrogen bonds to the oxygen, and that's what makes water. So the reason I'm showing you this is because you see we have 6 of these, okay? And we have 12 of these. Now, this arrow in science actually means something. It means that a chemical reaction happens. So this means yields. So you'll write yields here. But something has to happen for the chemical reaction to occur. So look, we have carbon dioxide, we have water. What are we missing? We're missing the sunlight. So when the sun hits this combination, it yields, which means it changes it into, it makes it for us. It breaks apart all of 6 of these carbon dioxides. It breaks apart all 12 of the water, and it reorganizes itself and makes this, which is glucose, which is sugar. It's making sugar for the plant to survive on. Glucose is the main element that most of us use for energy. Even carbohydrates break down into sugar with glucose, so we're using it too for energy. So this is glucose, and it reorganizes it back into this structure. But there's some stuff left over, right? There's some oxygen left over here, 6 of these, which kind of looks like a peach or something, right? And that little butt crack thing. And then there's some 1 molecule of water left over. So these over here, it's the same amount as over here. It's just reorganized. And that is the chemical reaction. And that is why we consider it chemical energy. All right, awesome. So that's on your notes. Now, someone asked me yesterday a really good question, which was, like, how do plants breathe? Like, they don't have a mouth. Like, how is the carbon dioxide getting in and the oxygen getting out? And this is gonna blow your mind, because they actually do have these little bitty, can't see it unless you look under a microscope, tiny little mouths. Can you believe it? I'm gonna show you a picture from a microscope. I'm gonna put it right here. Look at that. Look at that little mouth. That is so crazy. And they literally open and close to get carbon dioxide when they need it and to let out oxygen. It's mind-blowing. I know what you're thinking. It's mind-blowing. And these are called stomata. Now, somebody said they're called stoma when it's singular, but that's not actually true. They're called stomata. And it's just a little mouth that the plant uses to breathe in and out. So the last thing I would like to share with you is that we all feel pretty cool being human because we can do whatever we want. But let me ask you this. Can you eat the sun and poop out air? Because that's how cool plants are. A great quote from Mr. Jim Bug. I thought I was pretty cool until I found out that plants eat the sun and poop out air, because it's a waste product, right? They don't need it, so it's waste. It's basically poop to them, which we breathe in. So that's kind of a fun twist to that. All right, good luck on your notes. Make sure you follow along and fill in everything. All the pictures that I have labeled on my slideshow, you need to write those labels in on your notes. Okay, have a great day, guys.